So what's going on guys, welcome to Kura, and today we'll be looking at Vivo V20 series and some cool tech news, so let's get started. The Vivo V20 is likely to have a 6.57-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display and will be powered by Snapdragon 765 chipset, with being said that the phone features same rectangular camera layout as the Vivo X50 series. The quad camera setup houses 64 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel telephoto lens, 5 megapixel ultra wide angle and 2 megapixel depth sensor, which is a noticeable upgrade over its predecessor's Vivo V19. It is expected to have 8 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of internal storage and will be powered by 4500 mAh battery. Although it has the same battery level as the V19, it doesn't mean the phone has equal battery life, since it has a Snapdragon 765 chipset which consumes low battery than Vivo V19 housing Kura 360. The phone is expected to cost around $367 and is likely to launch in early October. Moving on to the Vivo V20 SE, which is the lighter version of V20 series, it is tipped to feature a Snapdragon 665 and will have 8 gigs of RAM. The handset is said to have an Android 10 based One Touch operating system. Both the Vivo V20 SE and V20 Pro was sported on Thailand's NBTC certifications, which do confirm the names of the model, but it didn't reveal the specs of V20 SE and V20 Pro. The V20 SE was also sported in Indonesian certification site and Geekbench as well. The device scored 360 points in the single core test and 1377 in the multi-core. Though we know about the Vivo V20 SE and V20, we have no idea about the Vivo V20 Pro till now. Now let's move into some cool tech news. Yes guys, the Samsung is trying to do something really unique and futuristic technology, that is the transparent Galaxy smartphone. Recently, Let's Go Digital has leaked some renders showing how it will look like if they make such a smartphone. It looks really awesome, but it might be distracting to use, so in my opinion, if they make such a smartphone, they will add a feature to switch from opaque to transparent and vice versa. Another exciting news we have is also from Vivo. They are about to launch a phone with a color changing glass back. Well, that sounds really interesting. There are so many things going on in the smartphone industry these days, and each brand are doing unique stuff to stand out, and that's really great to see. The short clip of the smartphone shows how it changes its color from one to another. So if you are a person who always gets confused to choose color, you should take a look at this phone. As we can see, the power button changes the color of the back, and I think there is a ton of feature as well. Either way, it's always nice to see such new innovation. So that's it for today guys, hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, subscribe to my channel for the latest tech updates.
Just do it!